This yellow Viper is as loud as the color. This thing is awesome. It's a 2002 RT10. Let's take a listen. This Viper is an incredibly low mileage example. Really cool color matched door sills there. The black leather is amazing. You can see, check it out here. That's right, the mileage, just 6,250 miles as of this recording. Unbelievable. Shift light there. Of course, that's yellow too. This thing is a time capsule from 2002. Really cool. Love the Autometer style round gauges. You know, it's got a CD player there. Power windows. 6-speed manual. Got to row your own gears in this thing. It's amazing. Check out the trunk too. So clean. Got the Viper yellow logo there. Check it out. Hillsboro, Missouri.